Hey guys, Amy here. Today I'm over here at our swing set garden, and as you can tell, my lawnmower is still not working. All of this is that something, the thorny nestle, something, I can't remember the name of it. The weed. It has been raining all day. It's actually stopped long enough. It's sprinkling still. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to go ahead and let me turn it around here. Pull out these vines. Pull out the Malabar spinach and the longevity spinach. We have tried all of those spinaches. We don't like them. Tried them raw, tried them cooked, tried them steamed. Didn't like the taste of them. So the watermelon and pineapple, or the watermelon and the pumpkin, the boring worms have gotten to them again in the middle of winter. It's winter time. I don't get it. So anyway, oh, there's my hair. Anyway, I'm going to go through here and clean up the garden and get it ready. And I'm actually going to plant some seeds today. I'm going to go ahead and plant the eggplant, the white eggplant, the butterfly pea, and the other ones we're going to plant in the other garden. And we're going to do some odds and ends around the house because we can't really do anything construction wise right now because of the rain. We got more rain coming. So it's one of those where right now we got a break in the weather for the next like 2 hours. So I'm trying to get a few things done this weekend, so at least then I'm not trying to push myself on a regular day, try to get everything done when Donald's not here. So we will get started, guys. Alright guys, got most of the stuff cleaned up. Our head lettuce is looking great. Got this whole area cleaned up. I was using bricks to hold down the tarps or the sheets when we did have a couple of frostes. There's my beautiful Everglades tomato, doing great. Fed everything to the ducks and chickens. They're a little bit happy. Now, I'm going to try and tackle this mess now. I don't like it. I hate it. And they all have really nice thorny leaves. So, gotta get my lawnmower fixed. Hopefully this will work. Raked it. Looks so much better. It's not perfect, but at least I won't have to worry about trying to mow over it. And over here, everybody is just having a ball with it. We're going to go ahead and dump it into the compost there, but everybody's enjoying it. Get to pick through the buggies, have a little bit of fun. Alright, there we go. Put it all the way towards the back. Because for some reason everybody likes to lay the eggs in the compost pile, and because they lay them all the way to the back, I can't reach it. So we made a little hole in the fence, and everybody is sitting there trying to figure it out. It's like they're afraid to step over the log. We did this so that way they would have access to the back without having to go through our garden. So right now they're at the gate, but they're afraid to go through it. Oh, wait. There goes one. Maybe. Oh, almost. Thought about it. All right, some of them have figured it out. I got two guineas out, 2 chickens, and all but 1 ducky. And the ducks are heading for the water. This is what I wanted, backdoor access, so we can let them out and roam back here instead of going through the garden. It's starting to rain again, so this is probably going to be the last of the filming for right now. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.